Today we're going to replace the passenger side rear door speaker on this 2007 Chevy Avalanche. Alright, these are the simple tools that you're going to be needing, as well as a Dremel to be able to cut the frame of the speaker. We'll get to that in a minute, but let's go ahead and start off by opening this up here. And let's go ahead and remove this cover from here as well. And we're also going to remove this little lock mechanism from here as well. And I'm going to need both hands for that. Alright, removing those covers exposes those 10mm bolts. Let's go ahead and remove them from there. Alright, so that's gone. All the bolts are gone. Let's use our trim tool removal to apply pressure here and pop this loose. There it is, and just go all the way around it. Alright, once we have the whole door panel loose, go ahead and pick it up and twist. And there it is. You can let it hang. Now we're going to use a 7mm bolt or millimeter socket to remove this one from here, the screw. Alright, and there it is. Let's go ahead and use the trim tool removal to apply some pressure from behind. And there it comes. We're going to use that same trim tool removal to remove this little clip here. There it is. And to undo the pigtail from here. I'm going to need both hands for this. Alright, and there it is. Let's go ahead and go modify this. Alright, here we go. So let's go ahead and remove this foam here. We're going to be using a Dremel to cut all this from here. Cut all these pieces off to remove the speaker. Alright, and there it is. Here comes the speaker. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut all these little angles that it has, all these little lips here. Alright, cut all those little flaps off. Now what I'm also going to do is cut this lip off here. So I'm going to go ahead and go around and cut that lip. Alright, and there it is. Sweet. Just go ahead and clean this off by hand. Alright, so there it goes. Now we're going to go ahead and put the screws they provided. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and hold that sucker down. Alright, and there it is, all wired up. Now we're going to use some butt connectors to connect all the wires to the stock harness. Alright, so I have these wires peeled back. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and just chop this one here, right at the pigtail. And I'm going to go ahead and pull these wires back. Alright, and there it is. All I got to do is just crimp these down. Alright, there it is. Let's go ahead and just set this back into place just like this. Put all the wires back in. Alright, and put it back into place. And you can see it's working. Let's go ahead and put in the 7mm bolt or screw back into place. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and put this door panel back into place. Make sure you latch it right up here first. Go ahead and hit it down. Alright, make sure this lock mechanism is all the way up. Put this down, latch it into place. Sweet, there it is. Let's go ahead and put these 3 10mm bolts here and those 2 down. Alright, everything's nice and secure. Let's go ahead and put these trim pieces back into place just like so. And this one right down here. Sweet, and we are set. And that is how you replace the speaker on the passenger rear on this 2007 Chevy Avalanche. Thank you for watching.
Please like and subscribe and comment if you want to.
Thank you.